Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Somebody asked you a question.
What?
How do you watch YouTube on your fridge?
Huh? um. Hang on.
Uh-huh.
Then press the app.
Okay. Then you just watch.
Yeah. Oh.
Can you show me inside the fridge? No. Look inside. Use the camera.
What?
Right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. And you can do what do you call it? Recipes. All right. So if we have if we want to cook, like if you have no, we have some beef, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see the recipes that we. Ooh. So what do you think we should make? Meat sauce.
Italy meat sauce.
Italy meat sauce. Okay, we'll make that. Alrighty. Thanks for showing me. Thank you.